Are you dreaming of building your own business? What about carpet washing, which is the most profitable sector at the present? You are afraid of a large shop lease and machine prices? Then meet CleanVac. With CleanVac Economic Starter Pack machines, you will be able to build up a new business for only $6,500 investment. Also, you don't need a wide area for doing it. 15 to 20 square meter area is more than enough for beginning. MD60 for remove the dust from the carpets. SC43D washes the carpets with foam. RL1400T dries the wet carpets about 95%. Thus, customers who are satisfied with the quality of service advertise you to the subject's neighbors. You just need to enjoy developing this profitable business. As soon as develop your business, you can upgrade your capacity with our automatic carpet washing machines to serve your wider customer portfolio. If you want to grow your business without incurring high investment costs, contact us now.
www.temizlikmakineleri.com